Hello everyone, welcome to the classes. This is Priyanshu Agrawal and today we are seeing December Cookoff 2021 challenge. So our fourth problem is median minimization. Okay, so now let's read the problem statement that JJ loves playing with medians. He has an array A of length n when n is odd. He wants the partition of array A into two non-empty subset P and Q so that the value of mod of median P minus median Q is as small as possible. Okay, so help him find the minimum value of median P minus median Q mod. So as a reminder, median of a subset X is elements which occupies an n plus 1 position as we sort in the non-decreasing order. For example, median of 314 is 3 and median 3142 is 2. Okay, so hence x inverse the largest integer does not exist with x. Okay, so this is our input format, and now let's see on the test cases. So this is the in 5 is the array size, and this is our array 27482. Okay, so now let's write 27482. So okay, so 27482 we can divide into the two subset. So for the 2 subset, we can divide it in 2, 8 and 2, 7, 2, 4, 7. So we'll get the median here as 2 and here we'll get median as 2, and the difference between this will be the mod of it will be 2. Okay. So another test case will be 1, 2, 3. We can see here 1, 2, 3. Our test case is 1, 3, 2. So we can take, okay, sorry, it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can divide into two subset, and that will be 1, 3 and 2. So here our median will be 1 and here our median will be 2, and the difference between it will be 1, the minimum possible. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is very simple, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and we can clearly tell this that difference will be 0. So we can observe that here the difference we are getting is absolute value. So suppose let's sort this array, that is will be 2, 2, 4, 7, 8, and now we have to tell the difference. So you can see that these two numbers we are getting as difference, and in this test case is also 1, 2, 3. We are getting the difference between these two numbers. What we can observe that this is the second index and this is the first index, and we can say that we are getting, like, suppose array of n by 2 minus array of n by 2. We should write here array of n by 2 minus array of n by 2 minus 1. Okay, so now let's code it. So what are the input here? The input is an n and an array. Okay, so we'll take n and we'll take input n, and then we'll declare an array, and we'll take input for an array. Okay, after taking the input of an array, we have to just print our we have to just sort our array. That will be sort a plus n. This is the stl which I am using, a sort function. Okay, and now I have to print our answer. That will be absolute value of a n by 2 minus a n by 2 minus 1. Okay, so now let's take our input test case here, and we should write here, and we should click on run. Now let's see the output. What will be the output of us? So we are getting output as 210, and our output test case is also 210. Now let's submit it. So our solution is correct. So thank you everyone, and please subscribe to this channel.